In this video, I will guide you on how to cancel order on Walmart app. First, launch open the Walmart app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, find the option of purchase history, then tap on view all. Now you will be able to view a list of all the recent online and in-store transactions. Scroll through your history to locate the specific order you want to stock. Tap on the order to open its order details page. Now scroll to the very bottom of the page. If the order is still eligible to be stocked, you will see a button labeled Request Cancellation. Tap it, then select your reason for cancelling and confirm. If you do not find that button, then that means Walmart's fulfillment system has already packed or shipped the item. Orders sold and shipped by third-party marketplace sellers cannot be cancelled directly through the Walmart app, so that might also be the reason why this button is missing. In that case, you can simply contact the customer support. And if you cannot cancel the order in time, simply wait for the package to arrive. You can start a free return right in the app, print a label and either drop it off at local FedEx location or take it back to physical Walmart store for a free refund. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.